Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2012 Nissan Altima SL 2.5. This comes in a blue exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Come around to the back here. Got our Nissan Altima and 2.5 SL badging. And our trunk space here. Rear seats. Quick look up front towards driver and passenger seats. Got our driver door controls, our driver seat controls, and our driver seat. Steering wheel. We have a push-button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle is 105,394. And we do have our navigation system here. Radio. Backup camera. Climate control. Shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.